वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु।
My dear students, have a nice day. Cordially salut to my parents. Before entering to the class, I would like to recite Brahmana. Dear students, let's do Brahmana. Students, in previous class, we have already discussed about reading a master. So today my turn is to enter into the new topic. What is the topic? What is the name of the topic? I will not tell you. You have to tell. Let's discuss. How? Dear student, I am a word. I am a word having 8 letters. When I come, I become a destroyer. Destroyer means that destroy everything. If you are first, second letter, if you are first and second letter of mine, you use me to become cooler. You use in hot day, we use to become cooler. Means, what do we use to become cooler? We use AC. That is called AC. Join third, fourth, fifth letter, you will find a department of investigator. Who will invest? The police, CID. So it is CID. Join my last 4 letter. That white stone will be there. White stone, you know, Buddha Hadam said white stone. You have 2 teeth. The other name of the teeth is date. So let's student, what is the topic of today? Now this is accident. So our topic is accident. One of very interesting poem of your class 8. Let's enter into the accident topic. Let's at first we recite the poem, then we will discuss or get more information about it. He walked off the street with his head in the air. He did not see the car. He did not take care. He did not look left. He did not look right. He started to run. Then he heard his friends cry, "Accident! Accident! Don't have an accident." Stop, look and listen. Stop, take care. Stay where you are when a car is there. Walk, don't run when the road is clear. Look where you are going. You don't want to hear. Accident, accident, don't have an accident. So students, come to understand bit by bit. He walked off the street. Street means road. With his head in the air. Head in air means he was walking unmindfully. Unmindfully means not mindfully. He did not see the car carelessly. He was walking up the street. So he did not see the car and he did not take care of himself or take care to cross the road. He did not look left. He did not look right. He started to run, not seeing left and right, not taking care, not seeing the car. With his head in the air, he started to run. After starting, he heard his friends cry. What had happened? Now his friend had faced an accident. accident, don't have an accident. So we should not try to have an accident. We have to care. So if we become careless, we must face accident. So to avoid accident, what we will have to do? Let's now stop, look and listen. Stop, take care. We have to stop, look and listen. We have to look the both sides of the road and to listen the horn blowing of vehicles. We have to stop. If we see anything coming towards us, we have to stop there and to take care of us. Stay where you are when a car is there. If a car is on the road, you have to stop where you are. Walk, don't run. On the road, we should walk, we should not run. When the road is clear, look where you are going. After clearing the road, we should cross the road safely. You don't want to hear. If we carefully pass the road, we never want to hear the word accident. We don't have an accident. So to avoid accident, we have to check both sides of the road and to listen the sound blowing of vehicles, and above all, we have to accept, we have to respect all the traffic rules. So students, that is the explanatory about this topic, and the next class, friends, this is the end of this topic, and in the next class we will discuss about the question answer. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.